What is going on? My name's Mike with EvolveINK, and I don't know, lately I've just been getting so many comments on people saying that they will never get tattoos because tattoos cause all kinds of different health problems. And reading these comments, I'm like, that couldn't be further from the truth. We all know that tattoos give so many aesthetic benefits. One of the main reasons why people get them is because they love the way they look, and it just beautifies the body, makes you more confident, and so on. There is no concrete scientific evidence out there that says having tattoos gives you health problems. But did you know that having tattoos can give you health benefits? Did you know that one? Yep, you heard me right. There is actually 7. So I figured in this video, we talk about 7 proven health benefits that you can get just by having tattoos. When I was learning about this, I was like, damn, this is some super interesting stuff. I have to share it in a video. So without further delay, let's just jump right into it. Oh, and I'm recording on my new fancy camera. What do you guys think? All right, starting off at number 1, having tattoos improves your immune system. Now, the reason why this happens is because when an outside material such as, say, tattoo ink enters the body, your immune system attacks that ink. It is trying to eliminate and kill off that ink completely as it's entering the body. You know that swelling that you typically get when you first get a fresh tattoo? Well, that's the cause of it, and at the same time, it's improving your immune system. There is scientific evidence out there that show people that have more tattoos having better immune systems than people that have really none at all. Your immune systems will respond and get better from when you're getting tattooed, due to the sheer fact that your body will create more antibodies to send to wherever that tattoo artist is applying that tattoo. It also helps in the healing process as well. Who would have thought? So moving on to number 2 is that having tattoos can lower your cortisol levels in your body. Whoa, Mike, first off, what the hell is cortisol? Well, my beautiful viewer, cortisol is a stress hormone, and having higher cortisol levels, well, you know, it's not too good for you. It's gonna make you a pretty stressful person. So with that said, when somebody is going to get a tattoo and has those tattoos, it reduces their cortisol levels. Now, this makes complete and perfect sense because if you ever noticed that people with tattoos always seem to be, you know, so cheery and really not stressed out, must be true. Stress itself can further cause many different diseases and health conditions. Tattoos contribute to the prevention of many of these diseases and health conditions indirectly, which is super cool. So tattoos and having lower cortisol levels for the win. Okay, so this next one, if you are an athlete or go to the gym to pump the iron, as the kids say, having tattoos can help you. And no, it's not because you're looking like a complete snack with your tattoos working out at the gym. None of that, no. But seriously, just like we discussed, having and getting tattooed can reduce cortisol levels in the body. So yes, you will be a less stressful person, but also on top of that, having lower cortisol levels enhances your body's ability to heal and repair after those workouts, or just really in general. Having tattoos will help your body repair more quickly for your next training session or workout. Like, the more you know. So this next one is super relevant because of all the things that are going on in the world right now. And that is that tattoos are helping improve vaccines. Scientists are now experimenting with tattooing methods to apply vaccines to patients. According to recent studies, when scientists inserted vaccines using tattooing equipment like needles and the machine itself, it led to better results than traditional methods of how people would get injected with vaccines. Also, it reduced the cost of vaccinations, which is one of the biggest hurdles that scientists have when creating a new vaccine. So that is pretty sick as well. No pun intended. Coming in at number 5 is that having visible tattoos can help you land a job. Okay, you might be saying this really isn't a health benefit, but just hear me out. There has been a long stigma against tattoos in the workplace. However, recent studies have shown that in some cases, having visible tattoos will increase your odds of getting that job. A study was done at the University of St. Andrews where they gathered a bunch of students that had visible tattoos. And with that study uncovered that some job types out there prefer hiring people with those visible tattoos. This was a super interesting study, and I figured I'd just add this benefit in there because, you know, it is in fact awesome. Coming in at number 6 is that tattoos increase self-confidence. This tattoo health benefit is fueled by a more psychological benefit. Now, if you are somebody that has tattoos, I know you could relate to me on this, but there is no better boost of confidence that you get when you get that new fresh ink on your body. It's exciting and you just want to show it off immediately. It's like getting a really good haircut, but like 10x the level of that. A study with over 2,300 college students had a correlation between having tattoos and self-esteem. Pretty much it came out to be that the more tattoos you had, the more self-confidence you had. People that had 4 or more tattoos had a significantly higher esteem than people that did not, which has led to those people having a more healthier mindset and lifestyle. So people that have tattoos have a healthier mind and are more confident. I could see it. Okay, so this next one is a 2-for-1 special, and that is from having and getting tattoos can not only increase your pain tolerance, but they feel good. From enduring the pain of those long tattooing sessions, your body starts to learn and adapt to the experience. So for every tattoo you get, your pain tolerance level rises. This is a huge health benefit on its own due to the sheer fact that it helps prepare you and your body for any type of pain that you might endure in the future. I don't know why it's funny to me, but it's funny but true. Now, it may have sounded scary to some people, but it is a health benefit. I mean, who wants to deal with more pain than they have to, you know? And when it comes to tattoos feeling good, you see, the people that have never gotten a tattoo before won't really understand this, but there is a scientific reason why people that already have tattoos are so eager to go and get their next one. Besides the fact of, you know, wanting to get a new tattoo, there's actually a scientific standpoint on why tattoos feel good. One of the biggest reasons why people want to go and get that new tattoo is because of the process itself. Yes, getting a tattoo can hurt, but the way your body responds to this pain makes getting a tattoo feel good. Look, I know I sound crazy explaining it and it might be a little bit confusing, but your body releases a combination of adrenalines and endorphins. These two things combined not only make getting a tattoo feel good, but it also releases good chemicals into your body to not only be healthier, but have a healthier mind. And that is pretty damn cool. If you want to watch more tattoo related content, be sure to check this playlist out right here. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.